What's up, everybody? I am here in Kuala Lumpur, and the reason I'm whispering is because it's past midnight and I don't want to wake up all the neighbors. And I'm in the hallway here of the Majestic Hotel in central Kuala Lumpur. So let's do a quick room tour of a deluxe king room. So once again, I can speak a little louder. We are at the Majestic Hotel in Kuala Lumpur, and this is a quick room tour of a deluxe king room. Luggage is here, as you can tell. A couple of closets as you walk in, basic stuff, just, you know, bathrobes and whatever. I forgot what that was called for a second. And shelves and just the basics, nothing special there. But glass wall, check it out. Well, mirror wall, you know what I mean. Coffee tea area, TV on top, workstation. Not a large room, fairly straightforward. Mirror above it. There's a coat hanger, or coat stand, I believe it is. It's called. Anyway, a little L-shaped couch. You've got the king bed with the faux posts, and possibly my favorite part of this room, that washroom. Let's get to it. Alright, so this washroom has a bit of an echo to it. We've got his and her sinks on either side of this fantastic looking bathtub. Too bad this bathtub doesn't really have much of a view, because you sort of look at this slate wall. Yep, slate. And then you've got a toilet cubicle on one side. Again, just fully see-through glass. Nothing special there. And right next to it, you've got a shower cubicle with the rain shower head. But yeah, generally a fairly straightforward washroom, but beautifully appointed and lit really well. I'm a big fan of washrooms that have surround lighting around the mirrors, and they do the little underlighting where they can. Yeah, so that was a very quick and dirty look at the king or deluxe king room at the Majestic Hotel in Kuala Lumpur. If you guys want to know more or want to see these be a little longer, let me know. I know the previous ones have been a little long, so this one is real fast. The only reason being it's well past midnight, actually pushing on 1 a.m. and I'm exhausted and I want to go to bed. Okay, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.